Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to integrate Mailchimp with Wix. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to integrate or add Mailchimp sign-up forms in your Wix website. First of all, log into your Mailchimp admin panel, and in this left-hand menu, you will see this audience. Click on this drop-down next audience, and here click on sign up forms, and now scroll down, and here you have to select embedded form. So click on edit embedded form, and here as you can see our form has been generated. Now if you want to customize your form input fields, then go to form fields section, and now from here you will be able to disable or enable any fields. Let's disable address fields, and also let's disable phone number and last name. So I'm going to enable only email address and first name, and then go back from form field section and click on settings. And here if you want to show or visible form title, you can do it from here, and you can also change your form title from here. I'm typing here subscribe, and you can also change your form width from here. So I'm giving only 500 pixels, and go back from the settings section and click on tags, and here you can write tags for your Mailchimp form, and go back from here. And okay, once your form is ready, just click on continue, and here you will get your form embedded code. Now all you have to need, just copy this HTML code for your Mailchimp form. Once done, go back to your Wix website editor and select the specific page, and go to the section where you want to integrate your Mailchimp form. Now click on add elements, and here search for embed code, click on that, and here select popular embeds and select HTML, embed HTML. And now in this code box you have to paste your Mailchimp embedded code. Once you paste it, scroll down and click on update, and close these settings, and here you will see your Mailchimp has been successfully added. Now just make your form bigger like this, and as you can see, I've successfully integrated my Mailchimp with my Wix website. So this is how we can actually do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.